Coffee grinder, electric spice grinder, Maypott 200W stainless steel blade coffee bean grinder, 3.5 ounces capacity with cleaning brush, electric mills for coffee beans, spice, nut, seeds, grains, white. Efficient grinding, countertop electric coffee grinder, easy to operate. When you press the button, the coffee grain grinder works. Get coarse or fine coffee powder in 20 seconds or less for cold brew coffee, French press, Moka pot, Espresso. The clear top cover also allows you to easily see the consistency of grinds. High-quality stainless steel blade, 4-bladed stainless steel flat blade design and 200W powerful motor ensure continuous and even grinding for good, maintaining the original rich aroma and oil of the coffee bean. Multi-purpose coffee grinder, Maypott efficient coffee grinder is not only suitable for grinding coffee beans but also grind spices, nuts, grains, herbs, peppers, seeds etc. into powder around 20 seconds. The longer the beans are ground, the finer they become natural and preserve more flavor and aroma. Space-saving and large capacity, the compact design occupies minimal counter space and is easy to store in a cabinet or drawer. Despite its small size, a 100-gram grinding capacity can produce up to 12 cups of coffee, enough you share fresh coffee with family and friends. ETL approved, ensures your safety. You will get 1x Maypott coffee grinder, 2x stainless steel blade, 1x cleaning brush, 1x user manual and our 24 hours friendly customer service. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.